Hey guys, new house, new internet, or just a long overdue hardware upgrade? In this year, Verizon has made router setup nearly plug and play. Whether you're on a blazing fast Fios or the latest 5G home gateway, getting online shouldn't take all day. So let's figure out how to start a method to get your home network live in under 2 minutes. Okay, and now we have for the two methods, which is the Fios Fiber and 5G home internet. So the first one, connect the Ethernet cable from your ONT, that's the box on the wall, to the WAN port on your router. If you have a Fios TV, you'll also need to screw in the coax cable. And for the second, placement is everything. Use the 5G compass in My Verizon app to find the window with the strongest signal. Plug in the adapter, and then your router will flash white and red for up to 5 minutes. Do not unplug it. It's automatically downloading the latest security firmware. And once the light turns solid white, you're technically online, but we need to lock it down. Open My Verizon app on your phone, scan the QR code on the bottom or back of the router, and this will pair your phone and let you rename your Wi-Fi. And your home is now a high-speed hub. If this Verizon guide helped you get online today and connect to your grid, smash like and subscribe.